So when working with different operating systems like Windows or Linux, you may need to handle the paths different because of the naming conventions, you could say. For example, in Windows you will get this kind of paths when using the OS path method. So this function exemplifies how to handle this kind of strings. If not, you will need to use regex, like for example, putting in here this R that is stating that this string is gonna be in regex, but you can avoid that just using this kind of code.